How to enable two-factor authentication on Pinterest, add an extra layer of protection? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Pinterest quickly and easily. Open the Pinterest app and tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, in the top right corner and open Settings. Now, scroll down and select Security. Next, tap Two-Factor Authentication and turn it on. Pinterest will ask you to enter your account password for verification. After entering your password, tap Done. Now, select your country code and enter your phone number. Once you've entered the required information, tap Next again. Pinterest will send a verification code to your phone number. Check your messages, enter the code you received, and tap Verify. That's it. Two-factor authentication is now enabled on your Pinterest account, adding an extra layer of security whenever you sign in. If this tutorial helped you enable two-factor authentication on Pinterest, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and security tutorials.